With the latest version of SmartCut Quote 3D, we have introduced a number of new features to improve the way you handle 3D CAD files and assemblies. When you open a 3D CAD file or bring in an assembly, the first thing you will notice is that the thickness of each part is now clearly visible. This gives you immediate clarity and helps you review the job more efficiently. You can also use the thickness option to sort and rearrange parts based on thickness, which is particularly useful when working with larger assemblies. For example, you may quickly identify small items such as screws. You can select them using the Shift key, right-click, and delete them if they are not required. In the same way, if there are profiles such as pipes or other components that should not be processed, you can simply mark them as Do Not Process and continue with only the relevant parts. This helps you clean up the assembly before moving forward. Once you are satisfied with the selection, you can begin assigning materials. You might apply mild steel to some parts and aluminium to others. The thickness is automatically read from the part, but you also have the option to adjust custom thicknesses and radiuses if needed. You can select your company tooling for bending or leave the default settings for estimation. The material column clearly shows which parts have been assigned and which ones still need attention, making it easy to manage the workflow. Another key improvement is in the flattening and export process. Once the parts are flattened, you will see the new Export as Assembly feature. This allows you to generate a single output that includes an image of the full assembly along with the total cost. Instead of sending multiple pages, you can now present a clear and professional summary. You can also rotate the assembly to any preferred angle and capture the image before exporting. We have also made improvements to costing. Once you select and flatten the part, you can apply the material and then adjust the bending cost as needed. For example, if your default bending cost is set at $7 per bend, you can update it to $10 and apply it either to a single part or across all parts. If you click in the blank area, the change can be applied to all items at once, making the process much faster. After exporting the assembly, you can assign a custom name and set the required quantity, for example, 5 units, and the system will calculate the total cost, including bending. When you move to the part list, the software automatically applies material and thickness where it matches your existing sheet library. If certain items are not assigned, you can use the filter option to quickly identify them and apply the correct thickness. Once everything is assigned, you can proceed to nesting. At this stage, you can also use the Edit Cost function to include additional charges such as setup costs if required. When you generate the PDF, the output includes a clear summary showing the number of files, quantity, unit cost, and total cost, along with the assembly image. This makes the quotation easier to understand and more professional for your customer. If you are interested in testing this new feature, please send us an email and we will be happy to arrange access for you.